Climatic Weather Bear here. We're going to walk this trail at our RV park, River Island State Park in Arizona. You see there's some cliffs and it's a really scenic area. Just surrounded by rocks and cliffs. Lost the sun earlier. It's getting kind of cool. And there's the Colorado River right there. Looks pretty full. And we haven't even hit the peak of the spring melt yet, so let's see if it keeps up. You ready?
I'm ready.
She's ready. Give it a whirl here. Why not? I'll just keep filming.
I'll take pictures.
You can listen to our feet crunch. Look at the pretty desert flowers. The desert's starting to bloom right now. Had a lot of rain this winter from what I understand, and the temperatures have started warming up. So it's really going to be a beautiful desert bloom, I think, this spring. You see there's another area of homes over there with palm trees and right along the riverfront property. Probably pretty pricey. We're just south of Lake Havasu, and between Lake Havasu and Parker, Arizona, along Highway 95. And there is the Colorado River. And we're going to do what the sign says. We're going to use the trail at our own risk. So, it's risky.
Doesn't look very risky.
And there's some ducks down there. But yeah, look at it's pretty full for this time of year.
Oh, no, take pictures.
Connie loves taking pictures of flowers. And they do have some pretty ones here. And there's a look back at the RV park. Very scenic. But we're risk takers, right?
That's us. Every day.
Every day. I'm actually surprised when I wake up in the morning. Oh, good. I'm still going. Ooh, I see stairs ahead. So this is going to be fun. One of these days I need to bring my selfie stick. It makes it a lot easier to hold your phone. I'm in a tune. And we got some greenery over here. A little patch of grass. Yeah. Or something. I guess those weeds. Well, I was fooled. That was the ducks.
They're still mowable, I suppose.
Sure, on a hill. Uh-oh, this does look pretty risky.
Oh, that's us. A risk taker.
Yes, it's a stairway to heaven.
Sorry.
Thinking?
I mean.
All right. Get behind me. Looks like it's single file, everybody.
I'm sure your shoes are tied.
Oh, crap. Now you tell me. Okay, we got the wood steps. Now we're getting some cement. You with me?
Wow, these are really...
Pretty tall.
Yeah.
Take it slow. Oh, more pretty flowers up here. Look at that.
Oh, they smell nice, too.
That's a good picture right there, right?
Yeah.
Thank God they've got this cable here to keep anyone from falling into the river. We're kind of at a bend in the river here. It heads that way after coming from that direction over there. It's really pretty, huh?
Look at these little purple.
They're so tiny. Yeah, the desert is starting to blossom. Oh, look it up there on the mountain. Up there on the hill. See all that giant patch of yellow flowers? That's pretty neat. All right, we're getting some, there's little mini caves. Look at that.
Oh, isn't that cute? Probably bats.
I'll bet. Look at all the flowers there. Despite the cloud cover, it still looks pretty. It'd be really awesome if the sun was hitting it, but the sun was out earlier today. I guess they're just all over this hill. And they're just starting, I would assume. Some cactus. Those ones you like.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the, this peak here has a flag on top of it. Kind of hard to see. I'll zoom in. Yeah, you drive right past it on 95. Ooh, zoom.
Well,
More flower. Now I don't know which way there's a fork in the
oh
road.
my gosh, how pretty.
So that is a cholla. That's the one you were talking about, right? The cholla. Look at all those flowers. Look at that. This trail probably just takes you up to the cave. You want to check it out?
Remember, we gotta walk down these
Hmm?
loose rocks.
Yeah. Well, we're doing it at our own risk.
That's what I heard.
So we're going to enter the cave, or the tunnel, or the hole.
I'm not gonna come there.
Huh?
I don't want to get
You
in.
like caves. You love caves.
I just don't want to back.
No, I think that if there's any bats in there, it doesn't look like it goes too deep. Let me go in. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, it just ends here.
No.
So, still pretty cool. We are now cave dwellers.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Oh, I thought you said you were going to go to the bathroom.
No.
Oh, you want me to take your picture? There. There you go.
Can you take yours?
Huh? Oh, look at this. Somebody coming on a jet ski on the Colorado. Looks like fun, huh?
It does.
Water's nice and smooth, too. Yeah, it probably is this time of year. You're right. All right. Again, nice view. You can see the bend in the river here. Look at all those flowers on that hill. That's pretty cool. Okay, you're right behind me? I got you. If I go down, let go of my hand. I don't want to take you down with.
Well, if I go down,
I'll stop you somehow. I will use my massive body weight to stop the carnage. Yes. All right. Gosh, this is really pretty with the flower. And those flowers go on. Look at that.
I see it.
All the way up the hillside.
Wow.
See that? That's really pretty. And they'll probably just, there'll be more and more as the days wear on, I would assume. I don't know how long they flower before they decide, all right, that's enough.
It's enough.
Once it gets 95 degrees or I don't know. I wonder what those particular flowers are called. Oops. Try not to trip on yourself, Dan. Watch out for rattlesnakes, I guess. But look at the purple ones.
Oh,
That's from the cactus there. I knew you would. And there's a sign over there that says danger or something. Can't quite read it.
flowers smell so nice.
No cliff diving. Oh, okay. Well, there goes our evening plans.
Aw.
Nerds.
Now what can we do?
Which
Watch
way? You want to go up the hill?
Jeopardy or
You
something?
want to keep going on the mellow part? I think that probably takes you to that bench, I'll bet. We can give it a shot.
Yeah, we can look down on our subjects.
Yeah. Just don't let them know that there are subjects.
Okay.
Because they don't know there are subjects.
Oh.
They're not aware of the monarchy. Look at all the purple ones now. La 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 la. No cliff diving, huh? There's,
I don't even know.
I mean, 95's right there. Look at getting more and more of the purple ones. Be a pretty picture, huh? Switch hands.
It's better to be in the dirt than these loose rocks.
Yeah. I got you though.
You know what?
We're good. Here, let me switch hands. Well, that's why I didn't want to wear sandals. I like the way the purple and the yellow go together. Look at the all the way up that hill. All the way up that hill. All those people living there along the river. That's got to be nice, huh? Yeah. Well, this might just end. I don't know.
This might be a bad idea.
We're fine, hon. We must make the hill top. The climb must be, I don't know. Because,
Would you say so?
yeah, this is kind of like the mountain in Quartzsite. That's good. It's all right. Our demise will be videotaped. No, you give me your hand. These are like steps.
Sure they are.
Yeah, God's steps. It'll be worth it. It's always worth the view when you get to the top. Coming down is the hard part. Because you get the...
Maybe there's a lift on the other side.
Okay, we have a much nicer trail. Now, let's see how tough you are. That wasn't easy. Look at all these flowers. See? I told you it'd be worth it. That's beautiful, isn't it? Sometimes you gotta work for your shots. There's the bench. Up here, there is a place to sit. Right there. And we are gonna work our way there. We're getting some vertical too. Get the old heart pumping, huh?
Maybe I'm not going to say.
Huh?
Maybe I'm just not going to say.
Want to rest for a little while? Take a break? Okay. That we can do. Okay. So we had a good breather. We're going to continue. Try to get to that bench up there and sit down and take a chill pill or something. Meow, 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 meow. More pretty flowers.
Smell it? And the flowers smell so pretty.
They do. Shall we trudge up? Take it slow and easy. Sure like to know what kind of flowers these are. If anybody watching knows what kind of flowers these are, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. This is this little guy right here. I'm going to call it the yellow desert flower. What do you think of that, huh? Yellow desert flower work for you, huh?
Sure. I don't know what it is anyhow.
Yeah. Well, the only reason I'm calling it that is because it's yellow. And we're in the desert. And it's a flower. It was the best I got. You know I'd never take you up to a place we couldn't handle, right? I've done a lot of hiking. Ooh, look at the different color rocks over there. The darker ones. See? That's pretty cool. That's why you make the climb. Get these shots. It's taking on, well, almost to the bench. There's another trail over there. This, I don't know how far it goes.
Maybe it's the way you go down.
Maybe. Comes, I didn't see it on the map, but it was really difficult to tell. We can wave to our subjects and maybe give a speech after the applause. We do have to wait for the applause to die down. Beloved.
That's
Our beloved fearless leaders
yeah.
who climb the mountain to the top of the heavens. Except for the other mountains that are higher all around us. Wonder whose idea it was to put a bench up here. That was pretty good.
Somebody said something.
Yeah, I like it. Pretty sky too, huh? Look at that. Now, I don't want you getting too close to the edge. Here, you stay here for a minute. And here we are. There's our RV park. Pretty good. We are going to sit here and enjoy the view. Where's the applause? Don't they know we're here?
I don't think they see us yet.
There's Harvey and Al right there.
Subject.
Right smack in the middle. And there's the view from up here. Pretty neat, huh? There's Highway 95. And there's the Colorado River again. We're both afraid of heights, but you know, there's the cliff.
Don't even go
You can
there.
see it goes straight down. There's some steps.
Where?
Nowhere. There's just steps that are actually rocks that a good rock climber could probably handle if they had the right equipment. Sorry about the wind noise, everybody, but kind of unavoidable. I'll give you one last panoramic view of our trip to the bench, and then I'm going to end this video. Y'all enjoyed it. Connie and I enjoyed it, that's for sure.
Yepper.